Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can auto-lock in Tango after some times. So let's get started. Firstly, open Tango app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next, tap on privacy. After that, tap on passcode. Then you can see the option of auto-lock in. Then select time of your choice. Here I am selecting 5 hours. Then tap on save. So this is how you can auto lock in Tango after some times on Tango. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.